Pallavi from the Creative Academy. I have attended the Shilpa Hegde's MAM seminar. It was so helpful for the fashion designers beginners. How can they start their business? How can they get the job after their course? It was so helpful since I wanted to start my own production. She have gave wonderful ideas which will help me more, and I would love to thank you so much Shilpa ma'am.
ಹಾಯ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ.
ಹಾಯ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮನುಶ್ರೀ.
ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು,
ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Yesterday we had a session of fashion management by Shilpa Hegde. It was a very useful session. All she spoke about was how industry fashion works. It was very useful for us. We came to know about the opportunities in the industries. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Tejaswini from the Creative Academy. So yesterday we did had an opportunity to attend session from Shilpa Hegde, who is a stylist. She works to India, and she spoke about fashion management, career opportunities, and how do we come through the challenges, right? So it was really an interesting session where she spoke to the point and she was very clear about the topics. It was very informative too. And thanks to Shilpa ma'am who gave us this opportunity. Thank you.
I'm Savita. I'm doing a fashion designing course here. And yesterday I attended Shilpa Hegde ma'am's class. It was wonderful class and it was very informative class. We got so much information about fashion world. So really we enjoyed that class. I would say thank you to Shilpa ma'am. They gave opportunity to attend the classes. Thank you so much.
I'm Lekha. I'm doing fashion designing at Creative Academy. Yesterday we had a seminar with Shilpa Hegde ma'am. So we found very interesting and many information we came to know from her, like how to start a production house, and there are many such things we came to know, and it was very interesting. Thank you.
Hello Shilpa ma'am. ಸೆಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನನಗಂತೂ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು. ನಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೊಟಿಕ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಷನ್ನಿಂದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.